I'm supposed to watch the kids more. I'm like, oh, I guess not.
What you doing? What's she got doing?
Well, they may go on a date night. She decorates for the party. She likes.
Okay, cool.
It's gonna be cool.
Well, they can come over to my house and we'll get some turkey dogs and.
That's right. You have your kid.
Yeah,
It'll
we'll
just be Vic, Cobby, and Lila, and I, of course, come over.
What Victim and okay. Yeah, anyway,
Yeah.
yeah.
Gotta leave early because it's at Washita, and if you're not there about 5,
Yeah.
you can't get a seat.
Well, yeah, we'll get some turkey dogs and some s'mores and come over there and what? Can they have s'mores? Does Kylie let them have s'mores?
Yeah.
Marshmallow? Okay, they can do that. That'd be fun. I'm assuming it's not.
She decorated the Indian table tonight at the church. She's wanting Jesse to buy some snacks.
That'd be fun.
That's been his idea,
Cool.
how.
Oh yeah. Hey.
And that's why Jimmy is. If he likes
watching
it,
the kittens
he
eat?
gets overboard and buys too much. Look at that little
Yeah.
Coke can.
I know.
He's like
It helps me kind of limit my caffeine. You know, it was handy.
The others get hot.
Yeah.
And I waste them, but I make myself drink.
I'm trying to watch my caffeine too. You see the kittens? Where'd the other baby kitten go?
Yeah, about the ones in your backyard.
Joy in nature, huh?
She really is. If I didn't have flip flops in that chair, I'd go out there with her.
I knew it. You got a sock.
Your dad keep that for the food chair.